Okay, if you are wondering how to find the length of the pendulum's period, let me show you. Down here in the bottom left of your screen of the gizmo, there are tools. So I'm going to select the tools and I'm going to drag an arrow out and I'm going to put it right where the pendulum is starting. Well, it's kind of hard to get it lined up, but let's see here. I'm going to get it right there. Okay, so now anytime the pendulum swings down and back, that would be the period of the pendulum, one down and back. So once I push play, every time the pendulum swings down and back to the arrow, I'm going to click over here where it says mark time. And you will start to see in this box here, time between clicks, you'll start to see data collected into that box. So let's try it. I'm going to push play and the pendulum swings and I clicked it when it got back to the arrow. You can see that was 2.8 and that was 2.8. Oh, I'm doing really well. Okay, 2.9, 2.8, 2.9, 2.9, 2.7. Okay, so I think I did that enough times. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 4 of those times it was 2.8. So I could say when the starting angle is 25 degrees and the length of the pendulum is 200 centimeters, with the bob, I use the number 3 one here, there's 3 kilograms, then the length of the pendulum's period is 2.8 seconds.